the deals. All the deals, yeah.
Yeah, because they're already like creating can people like if you want to come there.
Yeah.
You can.
What do you feel? But I mean, would you welcome Doble to Bandra?
Welcome Doble to Bandra. Basically, see, I feel there's a certain level of frustration in the police.
Yeah, okay.
Our police are not skilled in the policing business actually.
Yes.
And there's a certain level of frustration. I think, they really need some soft skills training.
Right.
More than anything else. In Doble, I was seeing an interview by Headlines Today. It says in 1989 he was suspended or something for taking a bribe in Pune. Then for some custodial death, there was some 1 lakh fine on him.
Okay.
And then 12 dossiers of Dawood have been lost by Doble.
Okay.
So I don't know how and by what is claim to fame to being ACP. If these things are true, I don't know. For me, it's hearsay. It came on TV, so I suppose they're true.
Yeah.
Having said that, of course, I don't.
From the youth, he has made a song. He has given the lyrics, and he has made a song for us for this only for this campaign. And this will be on YouTube as well. And we'll send you the links as well. You can just hear out the song. Give him 2 minutes, guys.
That's it.
Do you want to be free, Mumbai? This is एक आम आदमी की आवाज. This is not just my lyrics, it's everybody's lyrics. हमें होना है आजाद. I'm going to sing it to you. I would like you to sing with me. We want to be free Mumbai. When I come to We Want to be free Mumbai. Okay, are you ready, people? हमें होना है आजाद. हमें करनी है अपनी बात. We want to be free. We want to be free Mumbai. We want to be free. We want to be free Mumbai. We want to be free. We want to be free Mumbai. We want to be free. We want to be free Mumbai. लौटा दो हमको हमारी रातें, यारों के संग जो काटी बातें. Come on, लौटा दो हमको हमारी रातें, यारों के संग जो काटी बातें. We wanna be free. We wanna be free Mumbai. We wanna be free. We wanna be free Mumbai. We wanna be free. We wanna be free Mumbai. We wanna be free. We wanna be free Mumbai. हमारी है बस एक फरियाद, मान लो आप हमारी ये बात. We just want to say, we want to be free Mumbai. कौन है तो?
Can you come up, please?
to keep Mumbai free. On behalf of the organizers, they are going to.
Let people hear you.
Okay, my dear friends, like I said, we are here because they want Mumbai free, right? Yes! I need it louder. Yes! Okay. The organizers have agreed to send a petition to the government of Maharashtra to continue to put pressure, and we count on your support whenever this is organized by them. And we'll keep on informing you through the press and media as this progresses. We have shown that we are a peaceful people, and we will keep it that way. And hopefully, with it being peaceful this time, they will wake up and give you official permission next time. Alright guys, do you want to sing with Ramji again? Yes! One last time and we disperse from here. But as it is Monday tomorrow, we will give our plea to the local MLA, to the local MP, to the CM and everyone from the government, and we will ask them that we need amendments in the law, and as of now the youth, the innocent people are getting harassed, and we should get situational amendments for the laws which are archaic basically. And we will keep a rally, we will keep a peace march on for the tainted officers, and we will fight for a cause. Alright, so I'll just ask Ramji again, come soon. And guys, this is the way Mumbai unites. Yeah! And when the Mumbai does stand, we stand for a cause. 1 second. I would request Ramji please.
आइए ऊपर आइए बहुत स्टेज पे ऊपर है everybody can see you I want everyone to go that side media आगे सामने जाओ ना
I want everybody to sing it with me. हमें होना है आजाद, हमें करनी है अपनी बात. We wanna be free, free. We wanna be free Mumbai. We wanna be free, free. We wanna be free Mumbai. We wanna be free, free. We wanna be free Mumbai. We wanna be free, free. We wanna be free Mumbai. They're not just the youth of India, of Mumbai. They are educated people. I'm very happy we are peacefully gathered here, and very peacefully this has happened. And we are very sorry to the people who faced any inconvenience here on Carter Road. And we would thank you. I would like to call Sandeep Sawadar. I would like to give it to Rahul now. Okay, while we disassemble from here, let us go peacefully and say Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.